Hello and welcome to this week's newsletter. I'm outside. It's not too cold, it's not too depressing. It's brilliant, isn't it? It's almost spring is here. Almost spring. Full greens, no mats, and just a wonderful sense of wonderfulness. Now, enough of my blether. I'm going to now pass you on to our latest development at the golf club, and that is the putting lab that Karen has created. Over to you, Karen.
Hi everyone, happy to report the putting hut is finally open. It's been a long time coming. I'm so delighted. 1st of March, here we are, the season's nearly here. Great day today it was outside, but we will be able to offer you lovely warm indoor putting lessons and fittings from now going forward. So look forward to seeing you booked in. The diary is quite busy. But obviously you can also book to come in and practice, so please let us know at the pro shop if you want to come in and get some practice done so that you can get your putting ready for the season ahead. I will show you the facilities in a second. So here we are at the entrance of the putting hut. All the surfaces are by WellPut. So we have our SamLab system here on the left hand side where we will do our fitting, and we can get some analysis on your stroke. Like to work obviously with what you have, but we can get some 3D now as well. Hopefully you can see that, if not with the lights. So we can get some 3D. We've upgraded the software because we want to invest not only in ourselves and the equipment that we use, but so that we can then invest in you as customers to give you the best service possible. So the Sam Lab is there. We also have a couple of training points on the mats themselves. So there's lots of stuff that you can do if you just want to come in and practice by yourself. So there's a short training mat there on the left, and then we've got the long putt. It's about 25 feet, maybe a bit longer than that, full length if you're going end to end. So again, there's lots of guidance, but you can come in and have a little look. If I'm teaching, or if we're teaching, then please appreciate that we'll be spending time with the clients. But I will have sort of an open day at some point so that people can come in, or an open couple of hours so that people can come in and have a look and learn what's to offer. This is our lovely tilting floor bit here. I will try and stretch my arms just so that we can get the floor tilting without blocking the camera. So that's going to be quite hard to see. I'm just going to move a bit further back. So we've got the tilting floor, and that's going to allow me certainly to teach some green reading skills, which is obviously quite important. The slope goes up further than that. That's me just popped up a little bit, but to be honest, you put it up much higher than that, the ball's not going to probably stay there for very long. So still a little bit of work in progress. I will be cutting some of the ghost holes. So this is not a real hole, it's just a ghost hole. So I'll be cutting some of these out so that we can actually see and hear the ball dropping in the hole, because of course that's what we normally like to hear and see. But some of them also don't want to cut out because I want to use the space of the whole floor. So this one down here, for example, in the middle of the floor, if I cut that into a hole, then we can't really putt from one end fully to the other. So that's just a little introduction. Lessons available, fittings are available. Better putting 100% starts here. And if you're willing to put in a bit of practice, then I can guarantee that your putting will get better. So we look forward to seeing you soon.
So, what a wonderful creation that is, isn't it? Now, just so you appreciate, we have a fantastic facility here at East Kilbride Golf Course. A golf course that drains better than the average sieve. Our greens are getting better and better and better. Yes, we want them faster, and we will try to get as fast as we can. Stuart Matheson, no doubt, absolutely crying with that comment, but don't worry, we're trying to get the places as good as we can. Now, we've also got a finger over the lens, sorry. We've also got a practice area, right? Chipping green, 2 chipping greens, a bunker. A bunker? Yeah, imagine that. A lot of places have nothing. Not even got a practice net. We've got a practice net that's out of commission at the moment, but apart from that, we've got our practice area with yardages, and we're also going to be putting in a little par 3 course at the top of the practice area in time. So people that, like kids and new golfers, can go out without the fear of holding people up. So all the members will be excited about that because it allows them to develop. Golf's all about encouraging people, developing talent and letting people enjoy golf. And a golf club is about supporting the golf club and what we do. This is your golf club, and I'm glad to say that 119 people, I think, turned up at the second AGM, which is called the GM. I can't remember, I'm maybe a bit mistaken, but this is your place. This is a wonderful place, a wonderful place. Support it, look after it, and it's going to bring you oodles of fun, I promise. Until next week, I've been standing out in the wonderful outsideness. I know that's not a word before anybody gets me into trouble. Take care, and remember, this is all yours. It's all yours. Bye-bye.